Una, buksan natin ating GCASH account. I-enter ang ating 4-digit number. Check your balance, then log out. Tapos, hanapin yung Chrome and pindutin. Tapos, search mo globe.com.ph.retailer. Tapos, pindutin ang Globe Retailer. Ilagay yung Globe Retailer number mo. Tapos, piliin mo yung amount ng load na gusto mo. Then, click GCash. Then, click Confirm and Next. Ilagay ang GCash number. Then, pindutin ang Next. Antayin mo yung authentication code na isasend doon sa GCash number mo. Then, enter mo yung 6-digit na sinend sa number mo. After that, click Next. Then, enter your 4-digit number in GCash. Double check the details, then click Pay. After that, may magsasend doon sa retailer number mo ng message. Then, check mo ulit yung GCash balance mo kung nabawasan. Thank you for watching! If you like this video, please give us thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe on us. See you again on our next vlog. Bye!